EZ nomenclature. When all the four atoms or groups attached to the double bond system are different, like it is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Even then they can show geometrical isomerism. But now we decide priority order. So what is that? We give number 1 and 2 according to set rules to these atoms. First rule is 1 is given to atom having higher atomic number. So in this case, out of fluorine and chlorine, which one has higher atomic number? Chlorine. So chlorine gets number 1 and fluorine gets number 2. Out of bromine and iodine, which one will get higher number? Which one has higher atomic number? Iodine. Bromine. Higher priority groups are on the same side. That is called Z isomer. Z is zusammen, that means together. Zusammen, that is a German word which means together. And if it is on opposite side, like fluorine, chlorine, iodine, bromine. Now it is 1, 2, 1, 2. Higher priority numbers are on the opposite side of the double bond. This is called E isomer, and E stand for entgegen, which means opposite. Again a German word. So first rule is one number is given a higher priority. One means higher priority. Higher priority is given to atom having higher atomic number. What if both the atoms on opposite side are same with different mass number? Means isotopes. Keep it fluorine, chlorine. It is H and then D. Both are isotopes of hydrogen, but deuterium has higher. Then deuterium gets number 1, hydrogen gets number 2. Again Z isomer. And what if it is DH E isomer? So second rule is, if we have isotopes, then one or highest priority is given to isotope having higher mass number. Third rule, if groups attached are like this. Now see, first atom is same, it will not decide, then we shift to next. Hydrogens are there, will not decide. Carbon, again carbon. Now there are 3 hydrogens. In this case, there are 2 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. That means higher number is given to CH3, CH2, Cl. Again Z isomer. And if it is, so third rule is, if two atoms directly bonded to the double bond are identical, the atomic number of the next atoms are used for priority assignment. The fourth rule is, if a double bond or a triple bond is attached to the double bond system, then involved atoms in that particular double bond or triple bond are duplicated or triplicated. For example, if COH is attached to the double bond, it is equivalent to 2 oxygen atoms attached to this carbon. If we have C triple bond N attached to the double bond system, that means it is equivalent to 3 nitrogens attached to the carbon. If we have COOH, that means it is attached to 3 oxygens, 2 oxygens and 1 is already there. If we have C triple bond C H attached to the double bond system, so it is equivalent to carbon attached to 3 more carbons, right? So this is the way. So let us discuss one case. If we have this double bond system attached to CHO, COOH, CH double bond CH2 and CH2 to CH3. Let us take this case. This CHO is C double bond OH equivalent to 2 oxygens and 1 hydrogen. What about this? C double bond OH equivalent to COOO. 3 oxygens, 2 oxygens. Obviously this is number 1 and this is number 2. Now what this? This is a double bond. So this CH double bond CH2 is equivalent to this carbon attached to 1 hydrogen and double bond C means attached to 2 carbons and 1 hydrogen. But this carbon directly attached to double bond system has 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon, but it has 1 hydrogen and 2 carbons. So this is 1 and this one is 2. Entgegen means E isomer because higher priority groups are on opposite side of the double bond system. So this is E isomer. So these are the 4 rules. So remember these rules while attempting a question related to EZ nomenclature. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel.